Hello, English champions. Welcome to another episode of Speak Easy English. Today's topic is super interesting. Future continuous tense. Sounds long, right? But I promise it's easier than making Maggi noodles.
सर मैगी तो 2 मिनट में बन जाती है फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस में कितना टाइम लगेगा
Exactly 10 minutes to learn and a lifetime to use it naturally. So buckle up, we'll laugh, learn, and speak English like pros. Rule time. Let's understand it step by step. Future continuous tense shows an action that will be happening at a particular time in the future. Formula. Subject plus will be plus verb.
So like I will be dancing tomorrow?
Exactly. That's perfect. You're not just saying I will dance, you're saying I will be dancing. The action will be in progress in the future. Let's see how it changes for each subject. I will be working tomorrow.
You will be studying at 7 p.m.
He will be driving to Delhi next week.
She will be singing on stage tonight.
It will be raining tomorrow.
We will be watching a movie in the evening.
They will be traveling to Goa next month. Fun and practical examples. Okay, let's practice with 10 awesome examples. Repeat after us and imagine these scenes.
Yes, let's do it like an English movie rehearsal.
Okay, here we go. Number 1. I will be cooking biryani when you arrive.
Number 2, you will be laughing when you see the surprise.
Number 3. He will be studying for his exams at 8 p.m.
Number 4, she will be talking to her best friend tonight.
Number 5. It will be raining heavily by this time tomorrow.
Number 6, we will be celebrating your success next week.
Number 7. They will be working on the new project next month.
Number 8, I will be waiting for your message all day.
Number 9. My mom will be watching her favorite show at 9.
Number 10, our teacher will be explaining this tense again tomorrow.
A smart one. See how natural it sounds when you imagine it? Negative and question form. Now let's make it negative. Just add not after will. Examples. I will not be sleeping early tonight.
She will not be attending the party.
They will not be coming tomorrow.
Easy. Will plus not plus be plus verb-ing.
Perfect. Now for questions. Move will to the front. Examples. Will you be studying tonight?
Will he be joining the meeting?
Will it be raining tomorrow?
Super easy. I will be practicing these tonight. Or maybe watching Netflix.
Haha, multitasking is also a skill. Story time. The promise of tomorrow. Using past continuous plus future continuous together for emotional effect. Once upon a time, two best friends, Riya and Aarav, were sitting in their college canteen. It was raining heavily. The rain was falling, and Riya was crying softly.
Why? What happened? Sad.
Aarav was trying to cheer her up. She had failed an important test, and she thought her dream of becoming a teacher was gone.
Oh, poor Riya.
Aarav smiled and said, Riya, don't worry. One day, you will be teaching hundreds of students. You will be inspiring others. You will be changing lives.
Oh, that's beautiful.
That moment changed everything. Next year, Riya passed with flying colors. And today, she is a teacher. Every morning, she smiles and says, Today, I will be helping someone believe in themselves.
That's not just grammar, that's motivation grammar.
Exactly. That's the power of language. It changes your way of thinking. Practice with WH questions. Now let's practice with who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, and whom. These help you sound natural in conversation. What will you be doing tomorrow morning?
Who will be helping you with the project?
Where will you be staying in Delhi?
When will you be meeting your friend?
Why will you be working so late?
Which book will you be reading next week?
Whose car will you be driving to the party?
Whom will you be inviting to the event?
How will you be preparing for your exams?
What will you be wearing for the celebration?
Perfect! You just used all major WH words naturally. Wrap up and motivation. So, my dear learners, now you know how to use the future continuous tense to describe actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future.
And the story taught us something important. Even when you're crying in the rain today, you will be smiling in the sunshine tomorrow.
Beautifully said. Now go write 5 sentences about what you will be doing this weekend and share it in the comments. Let's make learning emotional and fun. This is Speak Easy English, where grammar meets heart.
And fun meets learning. See you in the next episode.